E don red though for inside Sokoto as the youth go clash with the police. As it be like this now, they say that the enemy of Sokoto, where those people, where they carry people, where they walk kidnapper go carry. As it be like this now, they say they don't buy the man, and now you to provoke the police come pull body, come see big wahala for inside that area. We go show now some of the videos more on our watch, but as it be like this now, things where they happen for inside north. The North are not going to take it easy with the Tinubu government, because during Buhari time they get patience enough, but as it be like this now, we be like say the power don't not come in their hand again. A lot of things go to happen. Just be watching from now henceforth. Things go to happen for North. They must make sure say Tinubu no finish this intel. Just mark this word what I tell you. This is what the North is going to do. My people, as it be like this now, they say that the middle belt say they must join Simon Ekpa and Nnamdi Kanu in this struggle, because what in the North to do them, say they no go fit forgive them. As it be like this, so now they come outside, come tell us, so same way we see as he done debut. My wonderful people, World Human Rights organizations don't call again for Nnamdi Kanu unconditional release. They don't tell the Nigeria government to say may they present all the whole past governors we both Kenya we put hand for this man Nnamdi Kanu kidnap. Say may they come talk how they take do amo. He said this one no be, they give them 8 months before they go enter for inside the matter with full force. Let us go and look how this thing take the happen. I'm going to play you this short video. May you see as everybody they run kitty for inside Sokoto because of the katakata where they for there. Just short video, then we'll jump for another one. Go show now what they happen for inside middle belt.
yanzu hakan ga zanga-zanga ta barke yanzu haka a garin Sabon Birni saboda kashe sarkin gobir da an kai na Sabon Birni. Buga ku jiha kowa ya jiha a jiha yan shagu akai mutai Allah jama'a mutai Allah mutai yanzu haka zanga-zanga ta barke mutai a kunna tayoyi yanzu zanga-zanga ta barke
Yeah, my people, this na the moment where the katakata start for inside the Sokoto, where everybody they run kitikito. It don't set. However, let us go and look what the middle belt people cause they talk for this matter. Say they go join Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa in this struggle because they no fit stay with the Fulanis. And my people, don't read. Just watch the video.
Part of Hausa Fulani country that middle belt are looking forward to join Simon Ekpa and Nnamdi Kanu if Biafra comes.
I'm telling you, middle belt will love to join Samuel Ekpa. They will love that more than being with House of Fulani. We know what the House of Fulani did to us in Plateau State and in Benue. And even in Kaduna, you go to Nasarawa, some of those states, we know what they have done to us. How they came to, even people used to think that Kaduna belongs to Fulani. No, Kaduna is not for Fulani. They just came, they conquer, they take the emir, they put out their emir. If you go to Kaduna, you will see the true children of Kaduna. They just come and they take over the land. And that is exactly what they want to do in Benue. They want to do that in Taraba. They want to do that in Plateau State. So why are we going to join ourselves with people that want to kill us? We rather join ourselves with people that want us to survive, that want us to live a good life, that wants us to live a freedom life. It is better you live with a person that will love to see you doing good than to live with a person that day by day is haunting your life. And the people of the far north, some of the, even though it's not all of them that are evil, but most of their leaders, they don't want to hear this. We need to talk about this. Their leaders, they are the problem we are having in the north. Leaders of the north, they are the problem we are having. If Nigeria will become great today, then they need to restructure, which they don't want to restructure. They need to give their children good life. If you see the north, poverty is ravaging the north. The north is crying. Majority in the north are suffering. So you can see that the problem is from the leader of the north. So
in the northern part of the country, and if it happens to Nigeria break today, and we still know that there are Biafrans in the north currently now. Igbos in the north, we call them Biafrans in the north. You know, what will happen to northern Nigeria if Biafra not succeed from Nigeria? Are you looking, because if Igbos leave the north, how would the north look like?
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
The zoo has fallen. The zoo has fallen. Finally, the zoo has fallen. If you do not know that the zoo has fallen, check around yourself. Check around.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As you don't watch that video, don't hear them with your own ear. They say they no go grill and they no go join the Funanis because these people don't buy them. Even for Benue, do you know that as we they talk now for one village for inside Benue, all those people, everybody will live there, don't run come out. If you go there now, only goat and fowl now you go to see for road. Even the fowl self, the guacania bush, because anything fit happen anytime. As it be like this for inside that Benue, and now people sit down, they relax for inside Nigeria, where some villages don't run come out for inside their villages. This now for inside the northern and some part of Enugu, it still they happen. Nowhere where this is no reach as they speak right now. And who are those people? The Fulani herdsmen in the bush, the bandits in the bush. All these things are coming from the north. Why? When small things happen in the east, you will see them running their armored vehicle. The people you feel like you can intimidate, you can do anything, then they are running to southeast where there is nobody to fight, and they will start fighting the innocent and buying the innocent youth in Imo State, in Anambra, in Enugu, in Ebonyi, and in Abia State. People that have done nothing to them. This is what is happening in Nigeria where we are. But let me tell you something, is that you know that the youth from the southeast are very crazy. When they mean business for you, you cannot do anything. Even the ESN you are fighting, or non-government you are fighting, can't even defeat them. When the masses, even the crazy ones, join the whole struggle. Guys, I want us to hear waiting the amnesty, the human rights tell Nigeria government and Kenya. Just watch the video.
The United Nations call for the release of detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, has continued to join the UN's demand for Nnamdi Kanu's unconditional freedom. Spokesperson of the CNG, Abdulaziz Suleiman, disclosed this during a press conference in Abuja. Correspondent Habib Alawal reports.
The United Nations Human Rights Council Working Group on Arbitrary Detention had indicted both Nigerian and Kenyan governments for the arrest and extraordinary rendition, torture, and continued detention of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, without due process. It also recommends that government officials responsible for the torture meted out on the IPOB leader be investigated. The UN body further directed Nigeria to report back within 6 months of the transmission of its opinions on Nnamdi Kanu, steps taken to comply with all the recommendations thereof.
Okay, my wonderful people, you know, say this video where you just watched now was a statement they made in the year 2022, telling the Nigerian government, because we are saying this, we're bringing this into you people because of setting record clear, because when the Biafrans rise up tomorrow and say, hey, we'll not go grill, and you see some tarts that don't even know their whereabouts, how they manage to get to Europe, will start talking. People that can't even pronounce their name very well will start opening their mouth to talk nonsense. Remember that the human rights, international human rights, and the world human rights, everybody have called on the unconditional release of Nnamdi Kanu, and they keep holding him. Do you think that you can hold Nnamdi Kanu and silence the Biafran movement? No. One day we are going to rise and will demand waiting beyond Nnamdi Kanu self, and that time you have no choice but to obey the law, or it will happen again. That's no other thing that will happen. That is what that happened before. So my people, now so bio, and I will say more bring and come show na more know as it they go for the area. I bet me share the video as it hot.